Hi, second graders. This lesson is for week 6, day 5 reading. Week 6, day 5 reading. And your comprehension test today is on author's purpose. And I think if we got my poster out, it would help you remember. So it's pie. So what's the author's purpose? It's as easy as P-I-E, pie. So we have P for persuade, I for inform, and E is for entertain. Ooh, blueberry pie, sounds good, huh? So P is for persuade. Remember we thought about talking with Mr. Wright and writing him a note or a letter trying to persuade him to get more playground equipment? Yep, that's persuade. Persuade is to convince the reader of a certain point of view. Kind of try, in second grade words, it would be try to talk somebody into something. Persuade. The next, why does the author write a story? To inform. That one, of course, is very popular. Inform is to teach or give information to the reader. So inform. So like the story of Red, White, and Blue, the author wrote that to inform you about American history and the history of the American flag. And of course, entertain, we always think of Mo Willems or all our fun books. Entertain is to hold the attention of the reader through enjoyment. So it makes us laugh, or maybe it won't make us laugh, but it makes us feel good inside, or it's kind of a silly story, makes us happy inside. Maybe we don't laugh out loud, but it makes us happy. So that's what is author's purpose. And it's easy as pie. P, persuade, talk somebody into thinking the way you do. I, inform, is to teach. And entertain is to give you enjoyment. Robert Munsch, Mo Willems, great examples. All right? The next part of the reading, I want to go over the comprehension test. And it's all about the state of Texas. The state of Texas. Let's get a little bit closer. So our comprehension test is about the state of Texas, but it's mostly about, there are 3 ways to answer the questions today, or whenever you take the test. There's 3 ways to answer the comprehension questions on the back. Number 1 is by reading the paragraph. Number 2 is by looking at the map. And number 3 is by looking at the table. So all 3 of these provide you with the answers for the comprehension questions. So second graders, this is what you're going to start seeing more and more of in 3rd grade and on, 4th and 5th and into high school, where you not only get information from text or a paragraph or a story, but from a map and then also from a table. So it talks about the state of Texas. Here it shows a map of the state of Texas, and we know that it's not in the northern part, but in the southern part of the United States. And here's our compass rose to tell us north, south, west, east. And this is northeast, this is southeast, southwest, and northwest. So here it talks about the largest cities. So the largest city is Houston. And then the second largest is San Antonio. And the 3rd largest is Dallas. The 4th largest is Austin. Now, I bet you think, like a lot of people think, I bet the capital of Texas is the largest city, Houston. But that isn't the case. No, that's not the case. The state capital is Austin. Even though it's the 4th, that is the capital. The state abbreviations is Texas, TX. The state bird is the mockingbird. State flower is the bluebonnet. And a nickname for Texas is the Lone Star State. The Lone Star State. So the author's purpose for writing this is to inform us. Inform us about the state of Texas. All right? So with that, read the paragraph a couple times, study the map, and then refer back to the table, okay? So here are your questions, and you're gonna look at in 3 places for the answers to the comprehension questions. So that is week day 5, week 6, day 5 of distance learning. Adios.